You will love the features of this 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. Here's a solid, smooth-riding Nissan Pathfinder, the family-oriented three-row crossover with impressive towing capacity and available all-wheel drive. Flexible seating and standard driver assist safety features give you the convenience and confidence to enjoy every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, satellite radio, fog lamps, power passenger seat, premium sound system, heated rear seat, power liftgate, dual zone AC. Take every project in stride with this versatile Pathfinder. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.